Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Disha here. I'm a gynecologist, obstetrician, and creator of TrueHealing.com. I'm a hormone expert, and I'm also a proud mama of a really cool new thing that I'm launching today, which is called Sheeto Method. And I'm super excited to be here because I'm also launching my new website, drdishamd.com. DRDISHAMD.com. So today I'm here to tell you about the Shito method, the new recipe book, and I also want to tell you a little bit of a backstory about how all these things happened. And of course, I want to thank you for all your love and support. So, if you have been following me, Shito is not new to you. Uh, but if you don't know what it is, go to drdishamd.com, DRDISHAMD.com. Go to Shito Method page, and you will see the glory of this new thing I have been working on since over 1 year. So, first of all, I want to thank you because you are the reason why this Shito method and recipe book happened. You guys have been asking me on how to eat in the true healing way and how to make it easier for you. And I wanted to make it easier for you. You guys have been asking me for the recipes, and I was not able to put it up together. But then, in one day, in one of my meditations, I got this idea Shito. Shito spelled as CHEATO. So, without further delay, let me tell you what does this acronym CHEATO stands for. So C stands for cyclic. As women, we are cyclic beings. We are not linear like men. We have a 28-day menstrual cycle. And there are 4 phases in your menstrual cycle: the follicular phase, the ovulation phase, the luteal phase, and the menstrual phase. And in each week, in each phase of the menstrual cycle, your hormones are different. Your hormones are completely different, and that is why your neurochemistry is different, your brain chemistry is different, and you are a different person week over week. Yeah. So, if you're sensitive enough, you might have noticed that your moods are changing throughout the cycle, your cravings are changing, your stamina is changing. So, why not honor this pattern and eat according to your menstrual cycle and honor this cyclic pattern which is happening to us? So, H stands for hormone friendly. So, you want to eat the foods which not only help with the synthesis of hormones at the right times, but also with the metabolism and excretion of hormones. E stands for eliminating the inflammatory foods. So yeah, we are living in 21st century and we are exposed to pesticides, GMOs, and whatnot. So it totally makes sense if you remove the inflammatory foods from your diet. So A stands for alkaline. It's a very old concept. The acid alkali diet is a very old concept. So the yin and yang concept, it is one of my favorite concepts. So I've taken that part from alkaline diets. And of course, TO stands for TO, is taken from keto or the ketogenic diet. And it's not as extreme as keto, but the only thing which I borrow from keto is being mindful of carbs and kind of, the fat burning aspect of the ketogenic diet. So Shito is my integrative nutrition protocol for women of any age, but especially mature women over 35. So I was very sure that I wanted to call it Shito because this formula integrates all the things which I believe in should come in the women's nutrition principles. So let me also quickly tell you how the recipe book happened. So this is about 1.5 years ago, 1.5 or 1 year ago maybe. I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed. I just want to quickly share a story with you. So one of my clients, Tejaswi and Karthik, came to me in the hospital. They came to see me, and they were doing my couples program, and they were doing very good. They were doing it very well, and they were getting wonderful results for their health, and they were feeling much better. And they actually just took an appointment just to tell me thank you. It's so kind of them, and they were just telling me how good they are feeling and how this is benefiting them. And they just we asked me, doctor, what updates on the recipe book? Because I was planning to do it, but nothing much was happening. So she asked me what is going on, and I said nothing much is going on. My baby is still small. I'm not able to do it alone. It's too much of work. So she told me that Karthik is a very good cook, and I have blogging skills. And if you want, we can help you in putting this up together. You can give us the ideas, and we can help you in putting it up. Oh my God! And that day, Karthik had baked a bread for me. It's a keto bread, and after tasting, it's such an act of love, I know. And after tasting that bread, I was pretty sure that my book is in good hands. So that was the time, we started working on it together, and this is my heartfelt thanks to Karthik and Tejasvi, for helping me with this. Without your help, it was not possible for me. And just no words are enough for such kindness you guys have shown me. And this recipe book is just a labor of love. So go to drdishamd.com and go to Sheeto Method page and download your free gifts and bonuses I have created for you. So enjoy, download, and share. I would love to get your help in spreading the word out. This work should go out to more and more women, and not just a few women who can benefit from it. So whatever you can do, maybe with word of mouth, social media, emails, or whatever, I will really appreciate it. And if you are a mom who has a teenage daughter coming of age, it's a very good gift you can give to her, because this tool can empower her, and it can actually transform her relationship to her own body for the better. So one more thing, some companies have been bringing me in to teach their teams about how to use their hormones to be more productive at the workplace. And if your company wants me to come in, email me. I can help you. I am totally interested in helping drive change around workplace to a more feminine culture. So we don't have to create big changes outside. We can just be the change. We can create change inside our own bodies, inside our own project planning, and which can cause a ripple effect in the environment. So I would love to help more women not work out in the corporate culture, because it can be very exhausting to just go on and on and on without honoring the ebbs and flows of our menstrual cycle, which is a part of our feminine design. So if you don't know about my story, why I'm so passionate about all this is because I'm this girl who has had major period crisis in my mid 30s. And I was really shocked and terrified when I woke up to the harsh reality for women with period problems. The kind of options which are available for us. Actually, there are very, very invasive and harsh options available for us. And I wanted to do something about it. So I've been working on this mission since over 10 years now, unofficially even longer. And Sheeto Method feels like a celebration to all the things I have learned and kind of putting it all together to make it easy for you guys. And if you need more support at truehealing.com, you can tailor the support as much as you need, and you can actually customize the support based on your comfort level. So thank you again. I'm Dr. Disha from truehealing.com, and we launched today the Sheeto Method, which is my integrative nutrition protocol for women of any age, but especially mature women over 35. So this way of eating fixes your period problems, not only fixes your period problems, but also helps you live in alignment with your brain chemistry and body requirements, so that you can work with your period cycle and you can be more productive and optimal in all areas of your life. So you never have to squeeze yourself into a 24-hour pattern when your body gives you a 28-day pattern, 28 to 30 to 35 days pattern. So we have to embrace the fact that our bodies are female at very fundamental level. We are not just slightly different from men, we are completely different from men. Our hormones, our cyclic physiology is completely different. And if we can embrace and honor that design, we can not only be healthier in our physical bodies, but also in our mental and emotional worlds. So this is my ultimate message for you ladies. Work with your period cycle, honor your femininity, be who you are. We don't have to be like men in order to succeed in this world. So go to drdishamd.com, go to Shito Method page, download your gifts. Apart from Hormone Harmony Guide and Free Food Guide, there is a guide to stay fit, fab, and fertile at any age, even after 35. And there are many more gifts. So just download, enjoy, share, and here's to all of us who are changing the status quo by taking very good care of ourselves. See you soon. Bye.